Wow, my God, man. So what do you think of this invention, man? Wow, this invention for those who every time overstep, confirm guarantee but chop, you won't overstep again, man. Because when the alarm clock ring, the hand will beat your head. Confirm but chop, you will wake up one. This is very, I think it's a good invention for those people who very like to overstep one, but not for me because I simply using the handphone alarm clock. Okay, I just use the handphone alarm clock. Okay, clock CLOCK, not COCK clock. Okay, I can wake up already. Okay, but of course some people they cannot wake up. Some people they need a special thing to make themselves wake up because some of them even they use a handphone alarm clock they still cannot wake up. Okay, so for those who every time overstep, I think this is quite a good way to make them wake up. Okay, but definitely I don't need to use it because I don't overstep. Okay, so but what do you think of this invention? Do you think this is a good invention or a bad invention? Okay, or a bad invention? So put your comments below this video of what you think of this video. Okay， 把你的想法、你的看法放在这个 video 的下面。你觉得这个发明好吗 ？OK， 对于那些每次很会睡过头的那些人，我觉得蛮有效果。但是呢，对于我来说我是不用，因为呢，我只要用这个电话的这个东西呢，我就可以起来了，我就可以睡起来。但是呢，对有些人来说可能不可以。OK， 对有些人每次要睡过头的人，可能这个方法蛮不错的。但是呢，我不需要。你觉得这个方法、这个发明好不好呢？把你的想法放在这个 video 的下面说 put your comments below this video of how you think about this invention. Is it a good thing or a bad thing? That's right. I'm Singapore famous YouTube sensation superstar 70 Kurt Day Kurdisar Kurt Bird, the WCW NWO World Heavyweight Champion and the ECW World Heavyweight Champion. That's why. Bye bye.